Hey, I want to try these new grafting pliers on this arrow shaft. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna apologize for my table because I've got all kinds of stuff that I've been working on right here. So what I'm gonna try to do is figure out how I can get this phone to set up. I don't know how well this is going to show up, but let me find the grain right there. Try to get this lined up straight. I don't know if this will even work or not, but so, to answer your question, will it work for a regular shaft? I think so. I think that it'll work just fine. So, there's the grafting pliers that I picked up off of Amazon. They were $13 and some change. Took about 3 weeks to get them because they came from China for some reason. But anyway, there you go. It'll cut yourself nocks. So yes, I believe that it'll work.